All right, friends, now that we read in the tall, tall grass and we saw some things that were insects and some things that were not insects, we saw some bugs and some birds and some snakes, we need to learn what makes an insect. So I have a song to teach us. This is a bumblebee and it is an insect. And I know that because of its body parts. So I'm going to teach you a song about the body parts of an insect and then we're going to figure out, are some other things insects or not? So my song says, it talks about the body parts. It says, head, thorax, abdomen, abdomen, head, thorax, abdomen, abdomen, 6 legs, 4 wings, 2 antennae, head, thorax, abdomen, abdomen. So we will know if a bug is an insect by those body parts. It will have a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. It has 3 parts of its center body. Then it will have 6 legs. So let's count the legs of this bumblebee to make sure it has 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 legs. Then our song said it will have 4 wings. Let's count the wings. 1, 2, 3, 4. He has 4 wings, 2 big and 2 little. Then it said it will have 2 antennae. Let's count them. 1, 2. It has 2, and that thing in the middle is his stinger. So we're going to use that information to decide if other bugs are insects. Are you ready? All right, I have my chart. It says, is it an insect? This side says insect, so that'll be our yes side. It is an insect. This says not an insect, so that will be our no side. All right, let's look at this. Ooh, it is a fly, and it has a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. It has 4 wings, 6 legs, and you might not be able to see them, but it has 2 tiny antennae. So is it an insect? Yes, a fly is an insect. It has all of the body parts. Ooh, next I have a worm. Is a worm an insect? Does it have a head, a thorax, and an abdomen? No, it doesn't. And does it have legs? No. So is it an insect? No, a worm is not an insect. It is a bug, but not an insect. Ooh, I have a cricket, I think. So let's see. Its body parts are kind of hard to see. So let's start with the legs. Let's count the legs. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 legs. His wings are tucked in. So we can't see how many wings he has, but he has 1, 2 antennae. So I think he's an insect because he has the right amount of legs and antennae. And I've seen one that was bigger before, blown up or enlarged. The picture was enlarged and you can see its body parts. And he has them. Ooh, this one is tricky. This is a spider. So let me get it where you can really see it. This spider has some body parts that we need. It has a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. And it has 2 antennae. But we said it needed to have 4 wings and 6 legs. Do you see any wings? No. Do you see 6 legs? Because sometimes they don't have to have wings, but they have to have 6 legs. Do you see 6 legs? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He has 8 legs. So he is a bug, but he is not an insect. So we're going to put him over here with the worm because he's not an insect. Ooh, let me see what's next. Ooh, next I have a ladybug. Look at that ladybug. It has a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. How many legs do you see? There are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it has 2 antennae. So that one has all the things. Its wings are tucked in. But we know ladybugs have wings. So is it an insect? Yes, it is an insect. Let's see what's next. Ooh, a beetle. Let's look at that beetle. What body parts do you see? Do you see the head, the thorax, and the abdomen? How many legs does he have? He has 6, and he has 2 antennae coming out of his head. So is he an insect? Yes, he is an insect. Ooh, this is a snake. Look at that. Is that snake an insect? No, he doesn't have a thorax and an abdomen or legs or antenna. So we have to put him in the not an insect side because he is a snake. Ooh, a praying mantis. It's hard to see some of his body parts, but let's look at it. I see a head, a thorax, and an abdomen, and I see 6 legs. His antennae are hard to see, but if he has the 3 body parts and 6 legs, do you guys think he's an insect? Yeah, he is an insect, so we're going to put him in our insect side. All right, let's see what is next. Ooh, I have another kind of spider. Look at that spider. We said the other spider was not an insect. Let's see if this one is, because it has a head, thorax, and abdomen. But how many legs do you see? It has too many legs. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So a spider is a bug, but it is not an insect. We'll put it on our not an insect side. Wonder which one's going to have more. Ooh. This bug is called a moth. You might see it come out at night. They like light. They're attracted to light. So let's see if he is. We can't see his body, but we can see his legs and his antenna. He's missing a leg on this side, but I think he's just missing it. He would have 6 because he's identical. It's symmetric. It means it's the same on both sides. So he has 3 and 3, which is 6, and he has 2 antennas. So he is an insect. All right, I have 3 more. Ooh, look at this slug. He has 2 antennae, but he does not have legs or the body parts. So is he an insect? No, not an insect. Oh, here's a tarantula, which is a type of spider. What do we say about spiders? Are they insects? No, because they have 8 legs. So he's going to go on our not an insect side. And the last thing I have is an ant. Look at that ant. He's super easy to see his body parts. He has a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. He has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs and 2 antennas. So he is a insect. All right, let's see. Which one has more? Let's count. How many insects do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 insects. Let's see how many are not insects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are more that are insects. So I'm going to head outside now, and I'm going to see if there's a bug I can take a picture of. And that's what I want you to do. Go outside and try to find a bug, and then tell me, is it an insect or is it not? I can't wait to hear.